So currently we are working at Landbridge Estate, and as you can see, this side looks more of modern, and looking at this side looks different. So just like looking at Europe and America in two different ways. This is how beautiful this estate is. I'll be checking more about the estate in a minute. Please don't forget to like, share, and also watch the video to the end to discover a lot more about this amazing estate. So today we are at the Landbridge Estate in Lagos, Nigeria. And as you can see, this is one of the biggest estates and also one of the oldest estates that was built a very long time ago. And this estate comes with a lot of benefits, and it's actually one of the most secured estates around this area. This is located at Victoria Island, and this estate is known as Landbridge Estate, which is very close to Palm Small Shoprite, and also it's close to the new market that was built at Lekki, and opposite the estate is phase one right there. So this estate is between the city, and it's amazing estate. I definitely recommend this place for anyone who's living or who's wishing to reside in a different location aside from mainland or other parts of the island such as Aja and the neighboring cities. Kindly check out this estate, and don't forget to watch this video to the end because a lot of things are also gonna be discovered on today's video concerning this wonderful estate and the premises. So tell me what you think about this estate. Do you think you can ever live in this estate, or you can't live here? It's quite expensive, as you might know, girl. Just tell me, do you like the ambience of the area or not? This traffic you're kind of seeing here is because of the massive security, and everyone has to provide a means of identity, and it's early in the morning, everyone is going to work. So this is how it usually is. So if you're living in this estate, you just gotta be ready every morning that you have to face a little traffic in your own estate before moving out. It's not kind of weird, but it's just the provision of identity to make sure you that's living, you are a resident and you didn't sleep over. And actually, in case you're not a resident, to prove that, oh, the person you're living in the apartment is safe and also aware that you're living. Accommodation at this estate is very, very expensive because this estate is very, very secure. Like, it has about 8 or 7 main entrances that are secured with security. And it's kind of weird because in every of these entrance you have to provide a means of identification, or else you just have to be walked away, or rather your car won't be let into the estate. So this is how it looks. So I'll be giving you the cost of accommodations in this place because this estate is actually a very big estate and old. I will give you an estimated price of the cost of accommodation and also the price of rent in this place. As you know, this estate, it's provided with their own power supply, so they don't use the general electric power in Lagos that actually doesn't supply steady electricity power. So they have their own electricity that they use, or rather, let's say transformer, which brings light to the estate. And these estates usually have light around 18 hours per day. And this estate is divided into two. There are some side which is very, very expensive, and it's basically mansions and duplexes that are built. And there are places where it's an apartment, like the one you're watching right now. It used to be an apartment before some of them were recently demolished and rebuilt to flat, mini flat, which is still very much expensive. So the cost of accommodation on this side of the estate, this part of the estate, let's just call it a level one so that we be on the same page. So this level one part of the estate, accommodation costs is from the price of 3,000 per annum. And 3,000, I'm talking about in dollars. And in naira, the range of the apartment here for a minute flat here costs around 3 million to 4 million per annum. And that include your water bill and also the security bill. So it costs 3,000. That's around 4 million naira per annum. And moving on to the other side, which used to be the billionaire side. So let's call that level two. Those area are mostly service apartments, and service apartment means everything you need in the house are always provided. And in most cases, those apartments are not usually put out for a year. Instead, they are usually on short lease, maybe 30 days, a week, 3 months, and co. And those apartments come with steady power supply and they cost approximately 18 million to stay there for a year. So those apartments, Oniru used to be a beachfront. So most of those people who live there or who bought those houses bought it during the time when the bar beach was still around there before it was demolished and sandfilled, and it kept on going on and on and on till now there's no water there anymore. So this area is highly good because there's poor flooding and also there's a good drainage in this place. The security system here is very, very high and making it very, very comfortable and conducive for people to live. I myself would really love to live here, maybe someday. And this place has a sound limit, so don't be scared or worried about neighbors disturbing you with mosque sound, church sound, or party sound. No, there's always a sound limit in this place. So, and there's no honking on the estate. So if you're driving, you should be driving an average of 5 kilometer below within the estate premises, and the gate locks at 10 p.m. Outside that, no visitors are allowed except residents after 10 p.m. So, what do you think?